In this video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your WordPress site on Hostinger. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, making it easy even for beginners. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger H panel. Once you're logged in, locate your web hosting plan. Next to it, you'll see a Manage button. Click that to access your hosting control panel. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your website. Now, look for the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a menu of options. Click on Files. This section allows you to manage all the files associated with your website. Within the Files section, you'll find a subsection labeled Backups. This is where we'll restore your website's files and database. Let's start with restoring your website files. You'll see a list of available file backups. Select the File Backup option and choose the date of the backup you want to restore from the drop-down menu. Click Next Step. You'll then be presented with a list of individual files. To restore everything, simply select the checkbox at the top to select all files and click Restore Files. Hostinger will begin the restoration process and you'll receive a notification when it's complete. The next step is to restore your database backup. Scroll back to the top of the Backup section and click on Database Backups. You'll see a list of available database backups. If you host multiple WordPress sites, locating the correct database is crucial. To find your database name, go to the File Manager in your H panel, navigate to your website's public HTML folder, and locate the wp-config.phpu file. Open this file. Within it, you'll find your database name. Once you've identified your database, select it from the list in the Database Backups section. Choose your desired backup date from the dropdown and click Restore. Once both the files and database are restored, your WordPress site should be back online. You might need to check your site for any functionality issues after the restoration. And that's it. You've just learned how to restore your WordPress site on Hostinger using their built-in backup system. This process ensures you can quickly recover your website from any unforeseen issues. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.